Hi Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 30th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Let's go ahead and go into your messages. Aquarius, are we doing Aquarius? I think so, Aquarius. I'm sorry, I've been doing so much reading this morning, I lost track. We got the King of Swords. This very well could be Aquarius. It could also be Libra or Gemini. So I'm getting you're coming up strong in your reading. So what you need to know yourself. Or you need to know exactly what you're going to say and do before you say and do this, okay? What do you need to embrace? We have the Strength card. You need to embrace a Leo, or you need to... I'm getting... You feel very weird when women cry. Like you'll be talking to a woman about something, me getting you're not yelling, but me getting something about when you talk to her, she cry. She don't like when you talk to her mean, or she don't like when you're disappointed. And I'm getting you're saying to yourself, is this bitch a child? Me getting no, somebody really don't like disappoint you. Because someone knows they don't complain. Therefore, if you're disappointed, might as well even fuck on you. Them feel sick in them stomach to even disappoint you. So I'm getting, first of all, you don't know how to attend to women's feelings. Now you might know how to relay information to a man, but it's different when you're trying to relate to a woman. She's not a man, she's a woman. Or how your friend them tell you to say it is not how she gonna hear it, she's a woman. I'm also getting something about you're trying to get used to women crying. Like you want to know, if a girl in front of me I cry, should I pet her? Should I tell her sorry? Should I offer my dick? Like what the fuck should I do? I'm getting you trying to get comfortable with when women are vulnerable. Maybe you work around vulnerable women, okay? What you need to release. Release spite. Release thinking that every woman is out to hurt you. Remember, the only women you're supposed to be thinking weird thoughts of is the one them you're fucking. You see, if you're not, or if you share your friend, I don't know why you have spiteful thoughts towards her. There's nothing she can do for control your life. She's just another woman. When we get him, every woman you used to say, you used to pick on them and spite them because of what one woman did to you. When you get him, you need to learn to leave that alone. And not every woman stay the same way. Some of them has been used by men too. Maybe you realize that. All along you in a relationship, you cuss the girl. Now you start to work around women who are abused, or you work around vulnerable women and you hear the stories the man them put them through. And you say, wow. I'm getting your part of that man stories. So you need to release the tit for tat, the spite. I'm getting women are dealing with something so much difficult than to attend to the mental games a man has tried to put them in. Or is that the man you want to be known for? You like to mess around the head of women. You're so weak, I can't even mess around the head of your own kind. Maybe you want to be a woman, I don't know, maybe you're bullying women because on the inside you feel like a woman. What's next? The Knight of Swords. I'm getting you don't like women, so the easiest way to get back at a woman is to become one and then take her man. No, the man are gay. I don't know if you know this. Unless you're gonna trick him. I'm getting you want to take this girl's man, but you transgender. So you're gonna have to make sure the girl man. So you see if you take our man, that means our man's never straight. I think he did her a favor because she could have gotten pregnant for a gay man, right? Oh, fucking Nazareth. I'm getting some man that tries to make it shut the fuck up because I want Libra man. One Libra man I'm getting something about one Libra man, him a lose him job or him a lose him house. And then I try to get this girl to shut the fuck up about what happened with she and the Libra man. Could be Aquarius again. But I'm getting this is all about some type of housing. This is all about you, one Libra, Aquarius or Gemini man or some type of housing deal that you were omitted from or them trick you out of. Something like that went that way. You know your story more than mine. Me getting that man want trick you. The man got trick you. He got trick you for something. He got trick you for go to this building. Him know how I'm going to do to you in the building. Or me getting somebody else living in the building. You don't know where them live in the building. You're moving and then you're going to see that this person is a neighbor. That will not happen. The star, yeah, you're a celebrity. That will not happen. Believe me. You're way more protected than that. Initiation ritual. One way. Witch doctor and bright future. Maybe the Libra was supposed to put you on, but the Libra skip you and give the opportunity to somebody else. No, you are come up now, the Libra try to sabotage you. Because they're going to be like, isn't that the same talent that was supposed to be signed on the Aquarius, on the Libra? I know they have to explain why they were a hating ass. Why they never get a contract and now you are apparently working with somebody else or you're working independently. Or apparently they have somebody tell lies say you work with somebody give somebody a contract to give you, they never give you, you get big and now the company feel like they are cashing them chips. The company swears that them chips are gonna get cashed in because them think you're on the contract with them. The Libra never tell us that them left the person off of the contract. So on over here celebrate about the chips them when not cash in. The Libra is yet to tell you that she actually didn't sign the contract and she don't know say wanna think you and her in a business. So even if you not cash out now, you're going to have to do a refund. All of that money I've got to get paid back. Because the Libra did not tell you that the contract is actually not applicable. But me getting if the Libra ever tell no one have a blood clot piece card, enough money never lose out on, but the Libra didn't believe in the talent. So how the fuck? Well, that's what happens. Cancer. It could be a Cancer never believing in your talent either. No problem. You'll be on your way to another person. That's okay. And now you blow up. You don't know how to explain to them boss. So they never offer the contract. And boss, I watch you and I say, Bumble, I'm so glad we were nice to her and put her on the team. I saw your boss talking, and make it think I saw you sit down. Because you can't tell your boss, she's actually not on her team. You're actually not going to get a revenue off of that. She's actually not going to show up. She don't know that she's working for her now. Because the Libra was a spiteful, racist ass motherfucker. That's what the fucking Libra was, Taurus. The Libra was a racist ass motherfucker. So them give the other girl the contract and I tell the blood clot people them say you and them are work. Sweetie, who said that? The only blood clot organization I am doing business with right now are 311 and YouTube. And if I not count YouTube, the only other person who can say to me about no blood clot tarot reading is the City of Toronto workers. Since the City of Toronto give me money every month, if the City of Toronto workers want readings, them can get it. Otherwise, me not do business with not even my blood clot people them. So make my people them have my name on them thing and I market me and I say because me and them sibling, we automatically work together. How your sibling homeless? Oh, so you're working with a sibling when the sibling can get money for you on the record label. But when the sibling couldn't get money for you on your record label, you left her homeless on the streets. I am not even working with my family. So Tanda I make Carby tell you say me I work. Tanda I make Carby tell you say me and him I work. Make Carby tell you say any money me get in my life that will be spent on the family. You make Carby tell you that. Carby tell you something already you believe. You gonna believe a blood clot again or because you gonna believe this time because you see the pretty face, you see daughter. Cause man love use them daughter to get contract. Okay. The daughter make Carby tricky again. Carby trick blood clot Jamaica. Carby said, Jamaica, I never leave you again. I'm being it, I'll never leave you again. Carby is not in Jamaica first and foremost. Second of all, me don't know which spell him go lock in on a blood clot song there. Because obviously, one of them have to stay at Jamaica. Jamaica, I never leave you again. Okay, you never returned either. So you tell Jamaica say you wasn't going to leave them again. Sorry, you never returned. You don't even live there. And I don't know who he did want left Jamaica for cold bust them foot and I for go back at them yard. I don't know who he did want go back at them yard. But sir, I will not be the candidate to take out that sacrifice of your festival song. So if you think Canada cold go bust my sweat me go back a blood clot yard, you have another thing coming. Me not left Canada. Me nah left Canada. IRC just give me the blood clot. Go ahead and say me can stay here till 2029. Me nah left Canada. All when me homeless. All when me a beg. All when me up on the street. Me nah left blood clot Canada. Me nah left Canada. And I have to leave here with something. You want me to leave your country? You have to give me something to leave with. I gotta leave here with something. Give me something. I have to bring back. I have to go back to my country and say, see, this is me bring from Canada. You gotta give me something if you want me to leave. So I don't know which school. I don't know who for sweat I go bust them blood clots and they want to go back at them yard. It's not going to be your daughter. It will not be the middleborn. It will not be the Rothschild of the family. It will not. So choose another candidate. Or sir, you better take your blood clot send back to Jamaica to go complete the blood clot prophecy that you sang and won Jamaica Festival song and win. I will not be returned to Jamaica no matter how blood clot cold Canada gets. He can't call it my ex-husband, so I will be staying here for now until 2020 blood clot 9. I will see what America, the United States has to offer. And this is how I feel. So Taurus and Cancer. We have 11-11. And we just see 11-11 and Bears. They're lost. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.